Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best pole saws is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any homeowner or professional looking to maintain their trees and landscape with ease and precision, offering a powerful yet manageable solution for reaching high branches and tackling overgrown foliage without the need for cumbersome ladders or dangerous climbing. Number 5. Seesii Mini Chainsaw 6-inch Cordless. Experience powerful and smooth cutting with its robust motor and precision chain. It effortlessly slices through wood, offering superior efficiency and a longer lifespan compared to traditional motors. Enjoy one-handed operation thanks to its lightweight design, making it user-friendly for everyone. It's perfect for extended use without fatigue and simple to start for beginners. Keep working longer with 2 included batteries that provide ample continuous operation. You can tackle various cutting tasks without worrying about interruptions, even outdoors. Operate with confidence thanks to its double safety lock and chain guard, preventing accidental starts and flying debris. Enjoy a stable and quiet operation that won't disturb others. This comes in a protective, easy-to-carry case, keeping everything organized. The package includes all necessary accessories, so you can start working immediately. It makes a wonderful gift for the men in your life, suitable for any special occasion. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our comprehensive after-sales service. What we like. This one boasts a powerful 900W motor for efficient cutting. Its lightweight, one-handed design makes it user-friendly, even for extended use. If you're looking for a compact yet powerful tool for general tree trimming and wood cutting, especially if you're a beginner or have limited strength, this is a great choice. The inclusion of 2 batteries ensures you can keep working without frequent recharges. What people say. The chainsaw was easy for me to use and worked very well. It held up well under tough hackberry tree limbs of 3 inches, cutting them cleanly. Being able to use it one-handed was great. It cut smoothly. This little thing came with everything advertised: the case, 2 batteries and extra chain, safety gear and little maintenance kit. Very impressive right off the bat. Battery life is excellent, was able to cut down several tree branches, thick 4 to 5 inch thick, and bushes and them into small pieces for my fire pit with a single battery. Number 4. Sun Joe IONMAX 24V Cordless Pole Chainsaw Kit. Tired of struggling with overgrown branches? Meet the revolutionary cordless pole chainsaw that makes yard work a breeze. Effortlessly tackle those hard-to-reach limbs with ease. Its 8-inch auto-lubricating bar and chain ensure smooth, consistent cuts every time. You can easily trim branches up to 7.5 inches thick, saving you time and effort. Reach new heights with the telescoping pole, designed for maximum convenience. Trim those high branches without the need for a ladder, ensuring your safety and comfort. This kit comes with everything you need to get started right away. It includes an auxiliary handle for better control, a protective blade sheath, a 2.0 Ah battery, and a charger. Experience a faster, more efficient way to maintain your yard. This tool is designed to make your outdoor chores simpler and more enjoyable. What we like. This model features an 8-inch auto-lubricating bar and chain for smooth, efficient cutting. The telescoping pole and auxiliary handle offer enhanced reach and control. If you need to tackle branches up to 7.5 inches thick and value ease of use with minimal maintenance, this is a solid option for your yard work. What people say. The battery life is excellent, providing ample power for extended trimming sessions. The lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver and control, even when working at awkward angles. The chain tensioning system is simple and effective, allowing for quick adjustments without tools. Number 3. DEWALT 20V Max XR Brushless Cordless Pole Saw. Tackle overhead branches with ease. This tool extends your reach up to 15 feet, making high pruning effortless. Its durable cutting grip, complete with a metal bucking strip and tree hook, allows for easy removal of pruned branches. The brushless motor ensures long-lasting performance. Experience up to 96 cuts on a single charge when cutting a 4x4 pressure-treated pine wood. This power allows you to get more done without interruption. Equipped with an 8-inch low kickback bar and chain, it delivers precise and efficient cuts. You can rely on its performance for clean results. Enjoy hassle-free operation thanks to the auto-oiling feature, which keeps maintenance to a minimum. The comfort grip handle also ensures a secure and pleasant user experience. What we like. With an impressive reach of up to 15 feet and a durable brushless motor, this tool is built for demanding tasks. It offers excellent cutting performance and low maintenance thanks to its auto-oiling feature. If you already own DEWALT batteries and chargers and need a robust pole saw for significant tree trimming, this tool-only option provides great value and power. What people say. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over an hour of continuous use on a single charge. The saw is lightweight and well-balanced, making it easy to maneuver around branches. The chain tensioning system is tool-free, allowing for quick and simple adjustments in the field. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Pole Saw Kit, LPP 120. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Pole Saw Kit. Tackle your yard's toughest branches with ease and power. This electric pole saw releases zero emissions, helping you reduce your carbon footprint while maintaining a beautiful yard. The powerful 20V Max lithium-ion battery offers a long lifespan and retains its charge longer than traditional batteries. Enjoy extended use without frequent recharging. Get up to 100 cuts of 112-inch pine branches on a single charge. This tool is designed to keep up with your demanding projects. With an 8-inch cutting bar and an extension, you can reach branches up to 14 feet overhead. Trim with confidence and precision. The inline power head ensures easy maneuverability, allowing you to see exactly where you're cutting. Plus, it disassembles for convenient storage and transport. What we like. This saw offers an extended reach of up to 14 feet and features an inline power head for excellent maneuverability. Its ability to disassemble makes it very convenient for storage and transport. If you need a versatile pole saw for overhead trimming and appreciate compact storage solutions, this BLACK+DECKER model is an excellent choice for your home maintenance needs. What people say. The battery pole saw is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making tree trimming less strenuous. It has a powerful motor that cuts through branches effectively, even thicker ones. The extendable pole allows for reaching high branches without needing a ladder, enhancing safety and convenience. Number 1. CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Pole Saw. Introducing the CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Pole Saw, designed to help you tackle tree trimming with ease. Its extended reach allows you to get up to 14 feet high. Equipped with a high-capacity 4.0 Ah battery pack, it provides extended runtime for longer jobs. You can get up to 325 cuts on a single charge. The angled head and blade ensure cutting precision, while the soft grip on the extension pole offers maximum maneuverability. It's perfect for detailed work. This tool features a branch hook to help you remove cut branches easily. Plus, the battery and charger are included, so you can start trimming right away. We stand behind our products with a 3-year limited warranty. Replacement parts are also readily available to ensure your tool lasts for years to come. What we like. This CRAFTSMAN pole saw provides an extensive 14-foot reach and comes with a high-capacity 4.0 Ah battery for extended runtime. The angled head and blade are designed for precise cutting, and it includes a branch hook for easier removal of cut limbs. If you're looking for a powerful and long-lasting tool for significant tree trimming tasks and value precision, this is the one to consider. What people say. This saw blade stays tight and doesn't need constant adjustment. I had owned it for 4 months before ever having the chain sag. The blade seems to hold its sharpness very well. It is very light and easy to handle. I like that you can easily remove a section and shorten it, when you don't need as long a reach. This tool is awesome, it cuts great and battery lasts longer than I thought possible before needing a recharge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.